So I love my steering wheel, but the Alcantara has been very worn out, as you can see. That looks terrible. Gonna attempt a cleaning right now. Wish me luck. And we're all done. Joe, look at that. It's like it's brand new again. It's good to see the Alcantara like that. I thought it was permanently damaged to the point that I was gonna get a new wheel. And I'm glad I didn't, because I love my wheel. Now that I know how to take care of Alcantara, I'll be doing that more often. Got a carbon fiber piece to go over here, these 3 spots. It's an overlay, but it's real carbon fiber, so that will do until I can get the real one, which is the actual whole centerpiece. But it's $450, and I don't see the point in that right now, especially when I can do a lot of other things for $450. But yeah, pretty happy with the results. $8 worth of cleaning stuff and the internet.